and today I'm going to show you how to create text to PDF super quick using Grok. So let's get to it. All right guys, let's test it out. So what I'm doing here is, here's my prompt. This is from text to polished PDF with Grok. So this is my first time trying this out, so let's see how it goes. But I want to design a clean, modern restaurant menu. You can do this for anything. For a plant-based Italian bistro, appetizers, mains, desserts with wines, prices, and brief description. All right, let's see how it works. Let's just see how it goes. All right, you can see this is pretty cool. It's going through all the settings here. You can see it working, and I think it's done. There you go. I wonder if we gave it a little more. Let's try to get a little more in depth. Look at that. It gave me all the prices. Tiramisu vegano. Cool. Now let's see if we can make some changes here. That was super quick. This is gonna be like a 1 minute video. All right, this is cool. You can see it's updating the table, customizing. Grok is pretty quick. And this is on the free version. I'm just testing out the free version here. But I wanted to add a little more brown to the menu, and let's just see what it does. All right. Yeah, better. Fresh, sustainable, and authentic. See how quick that is? That's crazy. So you could do this for, like, if you have a business and you want like a pricing chart or anything like that, like your prices or your services, you could just type in your prices, services, and bang, creates your custom PDF, text to PDF in that was less than a minute. But yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Got more coming.